A very warm welcome to my channel, Anushka's Core Thesis. In this video, we are going to see what is BCG matrix. So let's get started. So here is the chart of BCG matrix. So first of all, we are going to understand that what is BCG matrix. So BCG matrix is the full form of BCG matrix is Boston Consulting Group matrix. It was made by Boston Consulting Group. It is a strategic tool used to analyze the product portfolio and decide where to invest. So it is basically used by the business to understand the market. So they used to analyze the trends, they used to analyze the preferences, taste of the market, so how fast the market is growing and how fast they should do for the their consumers and customers, how should they make the segmentation, how should they do the targeting of the customers. For that particular thing, they need a framework which is called BCG matrix. It shows the market growth rate, which means that how fast the market is growing, and also on the other side, it takes relative market share, which means companies' market share compared to competitors. So this also helps the businesses to understand where they stand, where the position, what is the position of their company. So this is also a framework from which businesses can analyze themselves, their competitors, their growth rate and market growth, and the standing of their business. The first stage of this particular framework is a question. So this basically shows when a product launches the market, it is a phase where the consumer didn't know about the product. So it is a product where the consumer is unaware about the product. So here that particular product will be having low market share, will be having less consumers, less customers. So somewhere it is a introduction stage. So where products in growing markets, but company has no market share. Decision, which is to invest in gain market share or divest. This is a stage where we just introduce a product, introduces a product, and it is having a less market share. And also, it is somewhere analyzing this stage, we used to come to the point whether we should invest or divest. Required significant resource because when the product launches in the market, it needs marketing, it needs R&D, production, it needs to invest money in all of these functions so that it can operate in a smoother manner. Just for example, Amazon Fire Phone. So as it entered in the smartphone market, it was rapidly growing. But Amazon had very low market share. So afterwards, despite investment in innovation, it failed to capture the market shares. Amazon eventually discontinued it. So somewhere it analyzed the first stage, and afterwards it thought that it will not work. So they discontinued. The second example of this is electric scooters in India. So just for example, Ola Electric initially. EV scooters market in India is growing rapidly. A company with low share must invest in charging infrastructure, marketing, and production to become competitive. If it succeeds, it can become a star. Otherwise, it remains a question mark. So, if it succeeds, it will become star. It will go in the second stage. But just for example, if it doesn't work, it will remain the question mark stage, or it will divest the money from the market and it will discontinue the work. The second stage comes is your stars. Okay. So, star is basically that stage where the business is having high market share and high market growth. So, leading products to fast-growing market require heavy investment to maintain growth, potential to become cash cows when growth slows. So, this is the stage where the consumer knows about the product. It's just like it has built its brand image. It has built its brand image and brand positioning is done in a successful manner. Okay, so just for example, Apple iPhones. So as you have seen, as you have noticed, iPhones are somewhere the social status symbol. Somewhere it is taken as a social status symbol because of the premiumness in it, right? iPhone dominates the smartphone market, which is having a high market share. Smartphone continues to be a high growth segment in premium devices and 5G enabled phones. Apple keeps investing in R&D, marketing, and innovation to maintain its lead. So it heavily investing in those functions so that it can create a unique product in comparison to its competitors. Okay, Tesla is another example. It is a leader in electric vehicle sales in key markets like US and Europe. EV market is growing rapidly due to environmental awareness and growing government incentives. Just for example, this idea came by we have seen that Delhi is the most polluted city. Mumbai, because Mumbai is having 1/3 of the population, so it's covering 1/3 of the population. So it is the most polluted city, right? So because of the pollution, because of the dust and chemicals, we need EV vehicles more and more. So this idea Tesla came with this idea and somewhere successfully implemented and become a star in this stage. expected to become a cash cow as EV adoption matures. Now, what is a cash cow? Cash cow is a stage where the business is having low market growth and a market high market share. The characteristics are it product dominate a mature market, generate more cash than needed for maintenance. Revenue fund starts and questions. So what is the meaning of it? Up to a limit, the business grows up to a limit, but after a limit, up to that point, business becomes stable, where it is earning a stable income, where it is earning a stable profit. But now there is no space for innovation, or there's no space for a new unique thing that a business can bring in that particular stage. Okay, so we can say that saturation comes in this stage. Okay, now product dominate a mature market. It generates more cash than needed for maintenance. Revenue fund starts and question marks. For example, Coca-Cola Classic dominates the carbonated drink market worldwide. Market growth is slow as consumer preferences shift towards healthy beverages. Minimal investment needed for market dominance, and cash generated is used to fund new products like Coca-Cola Zero or flavored variants. Now, what is happening? There are various competitors. Somewhere the business is earning stable income because somewhere there are many varieties, many choices. The consumer is shifting to those choices. The consumer is less in comparison to early stages. So this is what's happening in this stage, and somewhere we can say that saturation is coming in this stage. Another example is Microsoft Office Suite, which is having a high market share in office productivity software. Market growth is slow because most organizations already use Office software. It generates steady cash flow, which Microsoft uses to fund cloud services and AI initiatives. So there's a steady cash flow in this stage. Now, next stage is your dogs. In this stage, somewhere the revenue is earned by the business, but somewhere it becomes outdated, or somewhere it needs any change. And if the change didn't comes in that business or that product in that idea, or if any modification is not done, if any expansion is not done, then the idea is going to be it will going to declining after a period. Okay, that stage is called the dog stage, where the idea is not working, where the idea is going in a downtrend. Product is going in a downtrend. Product in a slow or a stagnant market. The market is becoming stagnant, where it is not earning any kind of profit. Rather, it is incurring losses. Low profitability, sometimes losses, often considered for divestment or discontinuation. This is somewhere this stage gives an indication to divest the money from the market. Nokia features phone. So Nokia is one of the best example where we have seen that it doesn't adapted the technology. Somewhere it was not adapted with the growing technology. So it was outdated from the market, and the consumers were shifted to the another competitors. Suddenly it declined, so it came into the dogs stage. Yahoo search engine, once a leading search engine, once it was the time where Yahoo was a leading search engine, but after coming of Google, there are less consumers who are using the Yahoo search engine. Internet search market growth is moderate, and Yahoo cannot compete effectively, considered a top. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share my video if you like my video. Thank you so much. Bye.